Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play DayZ Standalone. First, ensure DayZ is installed, along with any necessary launchers. Next, choose a community server. Look for one with low ping, ideally under 50 milliseconds for a smoother experience. Finally, familiarize yourself with the basic controls for movement, inventory management, and interacting with the environment. This foundational knowledge is crucial for your journey into the harsh world of DayZ. Your first priority is immediate survival. Scavenge for food and water as soon as you spawn. Look for a sharp object, like a knife or even a stone, to open canned food without wasting precious contents. Staying hydrated is critical. Drink from wells found in towns or collect rainwater in containers. Remember, your character can only go without water for about 20 minutes before dehydration sets in. Once basic needs are met, focus on gearing up. A backpack is essential, increasing your carrying capacity by at least 30 slots. Seek out a reliable weapon, such as a pistol or a basic melee tool, for self-defense against both infected and other players. Explore smaller settlements and residential areas first. They often contain useful items without the high risk of military zones. For long-term survival, always remain vigilant. Avoid crossing large open fields where you are an easy target. Learn to craft essential items, such as bandages from rags or a simple fire for cooking and warmth. Teaming up with one or two trusted players can significantly increase your chances of survival, offering mutual protection and shared resources in this unforgiving world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.